everyone, you're watching the Savera and I'm Pavit Kaur. Right now I'm walking through the different villages of Gurdaspur. Right now I'm in Dharamkor and you can see that the visuals are not different here anymore. The land is wet, the floor is broken, the houses have damage. The flood water might have receded, but the conditions, you can smell that muddy, devamped conditions over here. You can see that right now I'm standing in front of the house and they are left with nothing. So the flood water has receded, but here the conditions still are not livable. The family might have returned to their house, but what have they returned to? It is nothing. There are a couple of benches, just a bed, folding bed, and apart from that, they do not have anything. Not even when we say that they have something above their head, they're left with not even that. They don't have a roof on their head. So the families, there are around 25 to 30 families who have the same story to tell. Even they're stating that none of the government official has visited them as of now. Not they have received any relief apart from the fodder that they're receiving for the cattle, apart from what they are getting as ration or for the daily base needs. Apart from that, no administration person has visited them. No one has asked them about their well-being. So let's try to have a word with the houses. So this is an entire lane. It has around 25 to 30 houses, but the condition for every household remains same. ਕੀ ਨਾਂ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ?
ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਹਰਮਨ।
ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦਿਨ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਰਿਹਾ ਐਂਡ ਇਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਾਲਾਤ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦਿਨ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਪਾਣੀ ਉਤਰਿਆ?
ਮੈਮ ਇੱਥੋਂ 5 ਤੋਂ 6 ਦਿਨ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਪਾਣੀ ਉਤਰ ਗਿਆ ਹੁਣ। ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਤੇ ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਹੋਇਆ ਆਪਣਾ?
ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਮੈਮ ਇਹ ਘਰ ਘੂਰ ਦੀ ਛੱਤਾਂ ਡਿੱਗ ਗਈਆਂ, ਘਰ ਵੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਬਹਿ ਬੂ ਗਏ ਆ, ਇੱਥੇ ਵਾਧੂ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦਾ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ। ਹਾਂਜੀ। ਤੇ
ਕੁਝ ਰਿਲੀਫ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ?
ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਮ ਹਾਲੇ ਤੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ। ਰਾਸ਼ਨ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਮੈਮ। ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਤੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦਿਨ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦਿਨ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਘਰੇ?
ਮੈਮ ਇਹ ਤਿੰਨ ਚਾਰ ਦਿਨ ਰਿਹਾ।
3-4 ਦਿਨ ਰਿਹਾ। ਫਿਰ ਹੁਣ ਰਹਿਣ ਬਸਣ ਦਾ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ? ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਦੀ ਛੱਤ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਸਮਾਨ ਵੀ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਚਿਆ। ਤੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੌਣ ਕੌਣ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ?
ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਵਾਈਫ ਆ। ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਤੇ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ? ਰਹਿਣ ਬਸਣ ਦਾ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੇ?
ਇਹ ਮੈਮ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਉੱਚੇ ਥਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਰਹਿ ਗਏ, ਉੱਥੇ ਚਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ, ਉੱਥੇ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ, ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਘਰੇ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇ।
ਤੇ ਸਰਕਾਰੀ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟ ਹੋਇਆ? ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਨੁਮਾਇੰਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਇਆ ਹੋਵੇ? ਕੋਈ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕੁਝ ਹੈਲਪ ਆਫਰ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਹੋਵੇ?
ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਮ ਹਾਲੇ ਤੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ। ਤੇ
ਕੀ ਉਮੀਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਤੋਂ?
ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹੀ ਮੰਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਵੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਉਹ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵੀ ਚਲੋ ਭਰਪਾਈ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ ਸਾਡੀ। ਹਾਂਜੀ। ਫਿਰ
ਵੀ ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਉਮੀਦਾਂ ਨੇ?
ਉਮੀਦਾਂ ਇਹੋ ਹੀ ਆ ਵੀ ਚਲੋ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਹੋਇਆ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਉਮੀਦ ਆ ਵੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਸਾਡੀ ਮਦਦ ਕਰੇ। ਹਾਂਜੀ।
So we have the other villagers also with us who are from this place only. You can see that I'll ask my camera person to pan the camera, and till then wherever you can see that there are the same visuals everywhere. All that they're expecting is that they can get some relief from the government, because till now no government official has visited them. All they're saying that whatever they are doing is from the NGOs, from the volunteers who are visiting them. And this is a place called Dharamkot, which is in district Gurdaspur, but the expectations over here of the villagers are that now the government should come here, should visit them, and should see what all compensation the government should give. You can see that the lane behind me is in the same conditions. You can see that these villagers are just seeking the help. You can see that no one has visited them, and I'll ask my camera person to show you the visuals which are coming from these places. And these are the low-lying areas of Gurdaspur where you can see the conditions. There is no roof left. We always ask that no rooftop is there. You can see that the entire floor is still wet. The conditions, you can see that there are mattresses, the clothes have been left out just for drying purpose. The water, you can see that the conditions, they are drinking bottled water because nothing remains clean at this point of time. You can see the conditions. The visuals state the story itself. You can see that the tarpaulin has been used to cover, because they are saying that from past 2 days the rainfall activity has once again started, and they are left with nothing, and what they have to do is start from scratch. You can see that the muddy nest still remains here. The TV, the flooring, the entire flooring has been flown away with the, you can see that it has receded, the water has receded, but the conditions, you can see that it, the walls have cracked, the plaster is peeling, the floor is still wet. You can see that the muddiness is there, the smell of the damp mud and decay is everywhere, and it hits you the moment you step inside. You can see the conditions. If you see here, this used to be like their bedroom, but now you can see the conditions over here. Beds, the beds have been split apart, sofas have been drenched, cupboards have been overturned, and the visuals, you can see even the rooftop is leaking now. All they're trying to do is to cover it with the tarpaulins. The villagers are trying to clear the muck, but the bare hands, but it is still a very big task. Most say that they have no resources left, and their daily bread and butter, the earning is from the daily wage work that they do, because this is the Christian community out there in Gurdaspur who do not own any piece of land. So their entire expectations and entire thing remains with the government. And we have the family also with us. ਕੀ ਨਾਂ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ?
ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਐਂਥੋਨੀ ਹੈ।
ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦਿਨ ਪਾਣੀ ਰਿਹਾ ਇੱਥੇ?
ਇੱਥੇ 4-5 ਦਿਨ ਪਾਣੀ ਰਿਹਾ।
ਹੂੰ।
ਚਾਰ
ਤੁਸੀਂ
ਪੰਜ
ਕੰਮ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ?
ਮੈਂ ਕੰਮ ਮਜ਼ਦੂਰੀ ਕਰਦਾ।
ਮਜ਼ਦੂਰੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ
ਹਾਂ।
ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਸਰਕਾਰੀ ਨੁਮਾਇੰਦਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਇਆ ਹੋਵੇ, ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਕੁਝ ਮਦਦ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੋਵੇ?
ਨਹੀਂ ਅਜੇ ਸਿਰਫ ਰਾਸ਼ਨ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਹੀ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ, ਬਾਕੀ ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਨੇ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਵੀ ਚਲੋ ਛੱਤ ਛੁੱਤ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਵੀ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਟੁੱਟ ਭੱਜ ਗਈ ਆ, ਸਮਾਨ ਇੰਨਾ ਦੇਖੋ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਥੋੜੀ ਰਿਪੇਅਰ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਹੋ ਜੇ ਤੇ ਚੰਗਾ ਹੈ।
So their entire expectations remains with the government, and they are very bare minimum. What they're asking that the government should get the houses fixed, and they do not require much from the government, but the basic amenities which they need to live a normal life. With Sumit, this is Pavit Kaur from Gurdaspur.